Hi, this is Chris, and I would like to show you a simple trick how to reuse the same message that you have already sent for the next email quickly. So definitely you know that once when you have a message, you can reply or you can forward. The problem with this is that we have this section over here, and then we have FW. So assuming that, let's say, we are sending the message to the same person or to a different person, and we don't want this person to know that this is a forwarded message. We would rather use a different option, which is called recall message. So basically in move action, you have option to resend the same message, and then you can correct this and send it like a brand new fresh message. Now, as you can see, it takes some time to go there, so you can create a shortcut for resending this message, basically just by shifting this and adding it to the quick access toolbar. I have already done it, so this option is deactivated and it's over here. And then to make it even quicker, I just click Alt and 6 at the same time, and this gives me a message because I have it as a shortcut. So by default, when you have a message and you click Alt, this shows you different numbers and letters, and they basically help you to quickly access a specific button, which is very useful because you can configure it in Outlook shortcuts like it is, for example, for Word. So I can do exactly the same. I can click on F, and then this sends me further. I can then click on S to save the message, and so on and so on, as a bonus information. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. I hope that this solved your issue with lack of keyboard customization in Outlook. If this is a kind of video that you would like to see more in future, click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you wish, and I wish you a very nice day.